Could it be possible that to your employer you may be worth more dead than alive? In one recent case in Houston, the widow of a bank employee discovered the bank had $1 million life insurance policy taken out on her husband. Tonight, 11 News reporter Dave Failing investigates what are known as dead peasant insurance policies.
It's hardly nice to think about the day you will die, but maybe worse is to think that your employer has been planning for this day and stands to be paid hundreds of thousands of dollars for your death.
It is a profit center for their business.
A profit center.
Yes.
Just another way to
make money.
Make money off of, quite literally, the death of their employees.
Correct.
They name themselves as the beneficiary.
Yeah. Irma Johnson lives in the Woodlands and appeared in the new Michael Moore documentary, Capitalism, A Love Story. Her husband had worked for Amegy Bank. In 2008, he died of brain cancer. She said she did not know about this, a life insurance policy the bank took out on her husband that after his death paid not her, but the bank over $1.5 million. So she sued Amegy. Her attorney says they reached a confidential settlement last month. Amegy didn't respond to our call, but it reportedly had contended Irma Johnson's husband had given his permission for the policy and that such policies are common in the banking industry. Actually, they've been common in a number of industries. They're called dead peasant policies, life insurance taken out by a company on its own workers. When a worker dies, the company collects, and not a dime of it goes to that worker's family. Not a dime unless someone in that family finds out.
And some of these people were what? Clerks that had been shot to death on the job?
Yes.
Houston lawyer Scott Clearman has represented the families of local convenience store clerks killed on the job. He said the stores had taken out policies that paid the company $250,000 if an employee accidentally died. In fact, so many companies have done this.
So it was an investment scheme.
That Houston Congressman Gene Green has been trying to pass laws making it illegal to keep the policies secret.
If you buy an insurance policy on Gene Green, I ought to have notice.
As things are now, lawyers say there's virtually no way you can make your employer reveal if it has taken out a policy on you. But if you could?
One of the big repercussions would be that attorneys like me would bring suits to collect the money for the people who've died, and they cannot let that happen.
Your company had a policy on you?
Right.
Attorney Kerry Notstein knows all about this controversy. A law firm he used to work for had a policy on him.
The reason they had it on me was so that if I died, they would be able to buy back my partnership interest.
He had no problem with that because in his case, the insurance money would actually help pay his survivors for his part ownership of the firm. In fact,
well, I represented a software company here in Houston.
He once defended another Houston company whose founder died. The widow sued for the company-owned life insurance payout.
And the jury decided?
The jury ruled for the company in this instance.
An instance where the company had a right to protect its financial interests because the founder was so vital. But in the case of rank-and-file workers, the so-called dead peasants, Texas courts have generally ruled in their favor, saying companies aren't entitled to make money off an employee's death. Dave Failing, 11 News.